Goodbye, my dear. Don't forget to lock the door properly. We'll be back tomorrow.
We will. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. Here we are, number 42.
Hello. Pizza delivery. Anyone home?
Coming. Just a second. Here's your pizza.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy our pizza.
Here's the money.
Wow, it smells amazing. What's that smell, Tom? Is it pizza?
Yep, it's ours. Mom and Dad ordered it for us.
Awesome. Let's eat in the living room. Look, it has tomatoes and sausages. Come on, dig in. This is so good.
Yeah, Mom and Dad really know what we like. They picked the perfect flavor.
I feel like today is my lucky day.
This house is a real treasure. Since the parents aren't coming home tonight, after the kids eat, I'll clean this place out.
Let's see where the money is. Ooh, look what I've got here. This bag will come in handy. I can stash more things in it. So much food here. I won't need to go grocery shopping tomorrow. Yum, but I'm thirsty.
Tom, are you thirsty?
Yeah, I'll get us some juice. Stay here.
Thanks. Wait, what are these? Shoe prints? That's strange. Mom cleaned the floor before leaving. This can't be Dad's shoes.
Oh no! I forgot to lock the door! Someone broke in!
Anna, there's a thief in the kitchen stealing stuff.
Oh no. Okay, listen. He must have seen us when he walked by the living room. I've got an idea.
Kids are watching TV. Time to check upstairs for more valuables.
He's upstairs now. You set the trap, I'll call the police. Be careful, Tom. Hello? There's a thief in our house, number 42. Please help us, we're scared.
Stay safe, little girl. I'm on my way. There's trouble at number 42. Let's go.
Tom, let's hide. We can't let the thief see us.
Let's hide in here. I'll never forget to lock the door again.
Did you lock the door of this room?
Yeah, don't worry. We're safe. Let's wait for the police.
Where's the money? Oh, jackpot. Jewelry and cash. Wait, why are the police here? It must have been the kids.
Well, look what we've got here.
Fine, I surrender.
Anna, you were brave to call us. But setting traps is dangerous. Don't do that again, okay?
I understand. I won't.
This bag has your family's stuff. Snacks, jewelry, and cash.
I understand. I won't.
We'll let them know. They'll come home early. Don't worry.
Thank you, officers. Goodbye.
This time, let me lock the door. Thanks, Anna.
Mask 9 på spray för all den.
There. No one's getting in again.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, Tom.